Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we will be working on Excel 1G regional sales. I will guide you step by step. You can easily understand the instructions and complete your assessment without any confusion. If you need any help with Blackboard, Cengage, MyITLab assignments, quizzes, simulation exams, simulation training, hands-on exercises, midterm exam, final exam, or a complete course, you can contact me anytime on my WhatsApp and email. My contact details are available in the description and also shown on my laptop screen. I will provide you full support for accounting, finance, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, MS Access, mathematics, stats, economics, writing, computer science courses, programming languages like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, PHP, Python, C++, Java, and more programming languages, and website development using different frameworks and CMS like WordPress, Webflow, Wix, Primer, and other frameworks and CMS. You can also contact me for your complete course at very reasonable price with A plus grades guaranteed. Now let's start the today assessment and go through it step by step. Here is the title of assignment, Excel 1G Regional Sales. Here is the project description. In this project, you will create a new worksheet that compares annual sales to specialty stores in US by region. Here is the project description. Now we will move to the question number 1. Question number 1 is open the file student Excel 1G regional sales downloaded with this project. In this question, you will have to download this Excel workbook from MyITLab dashboard. I have already downloaded this file from MyITLab dashboard. Now we will move to the question number 2. Question number 2 is change the workbook theme to retrospect. And if the retrospect theme is not available on your computer in the themes gallery, click browse for themes and then select the theme retrospect this theme from your downloaded project files. Select column A to H and set the column width to 14. In this question, you will have to apply the retrospect theme. Click on themes and browse themes. And select this theme and auto fit this and change to column width 14. Question number 2 are completed. Now we will move to the question number 3. Question number 3 is merge and center the title across the range A1 to H1 and then apply the title cell style. Merge and center the subtitle across the range A2 to H2 and then apply the heading 1 cell style. Select this and merge and center this. Click on this merge and center. Subtitle range and apply the cell style. Apply the cell style and then apply the heading 1 cell style. Merge and center this and apply the merge and center this. Then apply heading 1 style. Apply this. Question number 3 are completed. Now we will move to the question number 4. Question number 4 is select the 7 column titles, apply center formatting and then apply the heading 4 cell style. Select these columns and apply the center formatting. Click on this center formatting and apply cell style. Heading 4 So heading 4 cell style. Question number 4 are completed. Now we will move to the question number 5. Question number 5 is, by using the quick analysis tool, sum the quarter 1 sales and then copy the formula across the remaining quarters. The quick analysis tool formats total in bold. Mac user use the auto sum button and apply bold. Total sales equals to, then the total sum and same apply for this. Question number 5 are completed. Now we will move to the question number 6. Question number 6 is, select the northest sales for the 4 quarters and then display the quick analysis gallery for totals. Click the second sum option, the sixth item in the gallery, which displays the column selection. In yellow, copy the formula down through the cell F7 and recall that the quick analysis tool applies bold formatting to sums. And next is, Mac user use the auto sum button and apply bold. In this question, you will have to select the northest sales for the 4 quarters. In this cell, you will have to calculate the sales of 4 quarters equals to sum. Then pass this range, quarter 1, quarter 2, 3 and 4. Press enter and drag this formula down to the range. If you feel any trouble with your assignment, please feel free to contact me on my WhatsApp and email. My contact details are available in the description and also shown on my laptop screen. Question number 6 are completed. Now we will move to the question number 7. Question number 7 is, apply the accounting number format to the first row of the sales figure and the total row and apply the comma style to the remaining sales figures. Format the totals in row 7 with the total cell style. In this question, you will have to apply the accounting number format to the first row of the sales figure and the total row and apply the comma cell style to the remaining sales figures. First we select this range, apply the accounting number format. move to the instruction file. Question number 7 are completed. Now we will solve question number 8. Question number 8 is insert a new row 6 with the row title, this one, and the following sales figure for each quarter, this one, and type these numbers. Then copy the formula and cell F5 down to the cell F6 to sum the new row, row 6. Right click on this, then insert new row, and mid east, midwest, and then for each quarter, first you will have to copy this, paste it, and the second one, and paste that, and also select the third one, and select this, and apply this. Question number 8 are completed. Now we will move to the question number 9. Question number 9 is using absolute cell references as necessary so that you can copy the formula in cell G4. Construct a formula to calculate the percentage of the total sales for the first region. Copy the formula down to the remaining regions. In this question, you will have to calculate the percentage of total sales for the first region. Total sales for the first region. F4 divided by F8 and use the absolute cell reference. Then copy the formula down for the remaining regions. Drag this formula to the last of the range. Question number 9 are completed. Now we will move to the question number 10. Question number 10 is to the computed percentages, apply percent style with no decimal places and then center the percentages. In this question you will have to apply the percent style and center this, and with zero decimal places already. We have now completed 10 questions of this assessment. If you need any help with the remaining questions or want me to handle your complete course, you can contact me anytime on my WhatsApp and email. My contact details are available in the description and also shown on my laptop screen. I will provide you full support for all types of assignments, quizzes, simulation exams, simulation training, hands-on exercises, or a complete course. I have successfully handled courses for the students from Canada, USA, and many other countries. I have handled courses MyLab IT, MyLab Finance, MyLab Accounting, MyLab PowerPoint, MyLab Stats, and many more online courses. If you need any help with this task, feel free to reach out to me. You can also contact me for your complete course at very reasonable price with A+ grades guaranteed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel.